Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I initially thought of using all of my newly bought makeup products and making an aesthetic look on myself which would be a little different from the conventional looks that I create. But I didn't end up applying all of those new ones here in this video. Eventually the makeup look turned into somewhat new, like I opted for more of a smoky eye rather than a usual wing. If you like this final outcome, you're welcome to watch the video till the end. As always, I have started with a very clean and moisturized face, and this is my holy grail concealer. Many of my friends ask which concealer do I believe the most onto. It would always be MAC NC40. It's more of like maa ka haath ka khana, most trustworthy one. So as you can observe here in this video, I'm not going to use any foundation for this look today. I'm going to work on with the different concealers and build up this coverage slowly. As you can see, this is my highlighting and most favorite highlighting concealer. This is by Infallible range of L'Oreal. This is quite lighter to my skin tone, so this is going to be used on those usual places that needs to be highlighted instead of concealing. So this is how the skin is looking like once it is getting blended. It is always advised to use a color corrector underneath any lighter color concealer or foundation. Immediately moved on to this beautiful lip and cheek tint by Etude House to bring back the lost color to my face. I absolutely swear by this one, as once blended this imparts a very natural glowy and rosy cheeks, as if blood has rushed to the face and décolletage automatically when you encounter your crush all of a sudden from a distance. I hope you understand, right? Going to use this amazingly multi-purpose and most strikingly one of the most affordable palettes from Elf Cosmetics. This is their bite-sized eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow work I have done here is significantly tying the entire look together, which neither entered the smoky territory completely, nor it consists of any harsh line of that of a winged eyeliner look. It's somewhere in between, right? And I kind of fell in love with this rose gold shimmery eyelids lined beautifully by this thin burgundy smudged eyeliner. Let me know what you think about it once it gets established. Once this desired smokiness is achieved by this previous step, quintessentially I went ahead with my black gel eyeliner to intensify the given definition. For me, any eyeshadow work is literally incomplete without black eyeliner. I cannot get rid of this habit. I think it's called the Desi touch. Let me know what you think about it. Do you people use black eyeliner like me all the time? For my lipstick today, I had couple of options as I was trying and testing few lip colors on me. So this is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Petal, and I like to line my lips first and preferably add a bit of a lip tint, the same one, before applying this gloss, and this way the color of this lip gloss flourishes even more on me. This is the exact dusty pink plumped lips I had wanted to achieve, and I'm quite happy with this outcome. It's mention worthy that this eye makeup was paired with other lipsticks too very beautifully. Last but not the least, sudden idea came in and the execution began, and that is to enhance the inner corners of the eyes with a purple eyeshadow, and you'll see it's been a hit as it's giving a different depth to the eye makeup. We are almost at the end of the video. But before I finish off, let me reiterate how important makeup is for me. It's not an exaggeration when I say it's a therapy that never fails to uplift me from an abysmal depth of depression, motivates me the most at times, and also helps me feel good and happy. So I never feel shy away from practicing and preaching this colorful art of mine. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye.